Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing. This will be a quickie on looks like just one tray today. Let's take a closer look. So yep, it's one tree, all right. Let's get in there. Okay, got a little fella here, looks like a mulberry. By George, it is a mulberry. Mulberry Beanley Black. I've never heard of this one. I know Beanley is a suburb of Brisbane, but I don't know if that means anything. But it's good to have a new mulberry. Yay! Wow, beautiful big leaves. Oh, it looks like they cut it off to fit in the box. So this guy would have been probably 4, maybe 5 feet tall. But they grow fast. This guy will be taller than me before summer, for sure. There's something else in the box. Looks like a little gift. For me? Oh, let's take a look inside. Wow, it's not a gift, that's what I bought. Jeez, for a moment there I thought I was getting a gift. Yay, look at this, guys. I've got my first grafting knife. Felco, made in Switzerland, of course. So interesting. I don't know if I have the confidence yet to play around with grafting, as I've never done it before. But now that I have the tool, I don't have any excuse. That was my excuse before. I didn't have a proper tool. But yeah, and I've got some grafting tape too, which seems to be long enough to last me till the rest of my life. Alrighty. Well, that's today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Welcome to the family, Mr. Beanley Mulberry. And some future grafting. Although with grafting, with a mulberry, you don't do grafting, you just get cuttings. These are the easiest trees to propagate. You just cut any one of these stems right here, stick it in dirt, and you got yourself a new mulberry tree. How's that? This is the I've got so many now. This is the dwarf mulberry, which I got last spring. So it's almost been in the ground for a year. And it's already 2 inches at the trunk. And it was actually smaller than the Beanley when I picked it up last spring. And it's, wow, 8 feet in height. It's almost as high as the native Australian tamarin up there. It's getting there. So yeah, alright guys, thanks for watching. See you from the next video. Bye bye now.